Hello. I decided to do a product review for Raid Ant Killer, and I thought I would share it with my friends on Facebook. Let's take a look at the problem that I'm having. Pretty much it's just a pile of dirt, and I throw rubbish on it and sticks and stuff, but this pile right here, it's almost like a giant ant hill. If you poke at it, I don't know if you can see from the sun. It's got millions of ants in there. Let's try to piss them off and see if they come up. Yeah, maybe you can see it from the camera because it's so bright out here. But anyways, I got a product. I'm gonna go inside and open it up and see if we can tackle this, and I'll let you know how it works. Here it is. It's called Raid Ant Baits. Kills for 3 months, and it comes with a little white plastic thing, and it says defense system. Attacks bugs and stuff. I don't know what the defense system is, but let's take a look and see what's inside. Go ahead and open it up. I've already started here, and I decided to not open it up. I'm gonna open it up and come back with it. Okay. So I've opened up the box. Let's see. Got it here. That's the plastic piece. Maybe 2 inches by 2 inches. I don't know what that is. It's kind of like maybe poison inside. And looks like safety goggles or something. I don't know what that's for. And okay, and a gun. So this is what comes in the package. The Raid self-defense system ant killer. So let's go and try it out and see how it works. So I've got my safety goggles on. I think that's for the poison little plastic piece, so I don't get poison in my eyes, which is quite necessary. But it said in the instructions that this would be the last thing that you use, so I'm assuming that you use the revolver first. So let's take a look and see how it works. Okay, so this is defense system number 1. See how this works. Whew. Oh, damn. Let's see if I killed all the ants. No, I still see live ants. Damn. Looks like I got cheated out of my money. But anyways, maybe it's part of the system. You shoot the ant mound, and then you put this little white thing in there. And maybe I'll give it a day or two and come back and see how it works. Tune in next time. We're going to shoot another pig and put it on a bonfire again, just for the hell of it.